Hello everyone, so today we are going to discuss about vectors. So the first thing is how to initialize a vector. So for initializing a vector, we need to write vector, then the data type. For example, if we want to store integer values into our vector, we will declare int. After that, we declare the vector name. For example, in our case, we declared the name of the vector as v, and we defined like it will contain values as 10, 2, 32, 4. So this is the way to initialize a vector. Now comes how can we access a particular element of a vector. So vectors work similar way as arrays. So we can use indexing to access a particular element of a vector. So for example, if we use v of 1, that is element at the first index. As you know that indexing starts from 0. So 10 will be at 0th index and 2 will be at first index. So the output for this would be 2. If you want, we can see the output for this one. Yeah, we got 2 as output. Now let's understand how can we insert an element to a vector. So for inserting an element to a vector, we use a inbuilt function that is pushback. So we write the name of the vector, that is v in our case, and then followed by dot pushback and the element which we want to insert. So what it does is it inserts the element into the existing vector. Now comes how to sort a vector. You know, like writing a code to sort a program is a complex one. So in case of vector, we have an inbuilt function that is sort. So we can write sort vector name dot begin comma vector name dot end. So what this will do is this will sort our vector in the ascending order, that is from beginning to the end. Okay, so now this sort function will take big O of n log n time, and our vector will look something like this. If we are now we will print our vector. So for printing our vector, we have started one loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than vector dot size. Vector dot size is a function to get the size of the vector, and I plus plus, and we are using cout v of I, that is the element at the ith index. So now if we will run this, we will get this following output: 2, 4, 10, 32 and 100. So in this way we can sort our vector and print our vector. Now we are going to discuss about sets. Okay, so the first thing is how to initialize a set. So for initializing a set, we have to write set, then the data type of the set, and the name of the set, and the elements of the set. So in this way we can initialize a set. Now let's discuss how to insert the data into the set. So for inserting the data into the set, we need to write the name of the set, dot insert, and the value which we want to insert into the set. So there is a slight advantage of set over vector is, like while inserting the data into the vector, we write the function vector name dot pushback and the element. What it does is it inserts the data at the last of the vector, but unlikely in sets, what it does is it inserts the data into the ascending order. That means we don't need to keep a track of the order in which we are inserting the data. The data will be automatically sorted in the ascending order. So for example, if we write set name dot insert 20, then 10, then 65, and when we will iterate through our set, we will get a sorted set. That means we don't need to manage the order in which data is being inserted. It will automatically manage the order, and we will get the data into the ascending order. So now if we take, like for example, now if we iterate through our set, so we have written for auto it, that is iterator, set name dot begin, and iterator is not equal to set name dot end and plus plus it. And if we print our set, we will get the data something like this. Okay, so we get 1 2 3 4 5 10 20 and 65. So as you know, like we inserted data like 1 2 3 4 5 was already there. After that we inserted 20 and 10 and 65. But what it does is it automatically sorted that, and after 5 we got 10 and then 20 and then 65. So sets are more powerful as compared to vectors. Thank you.